On today's body cam, we're checking out serial shoplifter tries playing dumb after surprise from police.
What did this female look like?
Oh, that was me.
No, the one that supposedly took the...
What did she look like?
Yes.
She had like reddish
Reddish
hair.
pinkish hair, black skirt.
So black skirt? Because I saw some girl with like a leopard, almost like a leopard print skirt.
Yes.
With leopard shoes.
Leopard shoes, a long bag, saggy bag.
Okay, that was her. What did she take?
She took, well, she tried to, at least I got it back from her. She tried to take this, and she took this dress, and...
How you go from black to leopard? You said black, now you saying leopard?
Put the hanger back over here. So this, she watched her put this in the bag, and then I saw the polka dot dress in her purse, and I said, that's my dress. I was like, that's my dress in your bag. And she's like, no, it's mine.
Okay.
So then I was like, let me see your bag, or I'll literally call the cops.
All right.
But I was scared of her to be in here before calling you guys when she was in here, because I don't know what she was gonna do. So then I was just
I think I know who it is.
I said, just please don't come back. I said, and then she said, can I buy it? I said, no, you're just not allowed to come back in here.
Okay, I think I know who she is. Hi, did anyone come in here recently?
Yeah, it's in the bathroom.
Hi, Victoria.
Hi.
Come with me.
Okay.
All right, listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you could say can be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, you won't be provided to. Do you understand your rights? What happened at Trey Chic?
At here?
No, Trey Chic.
Oh, I told her I was gonna buy it. I put it in my purse and I was gonna look for my credit card in my purse. But then she thought I was gonna steal it, but I wasn't. And I told her I put it in here because I don't like to hold it. And then I was gonna ask if she could cut my hair. And then she was like, no, you're not allowed here. My friend said he's gonna buy it for me later. He said, just go home, I'll buy you whatever. So my friend's gonna come later and buy it for me. But I'm not allowed in there anymore.
Yeah.
But I didn't steal nothing. I let her check my purse. She said, next time you come, I'm calling the police. And I said, okay.
That's not the story that I got. Yeah.
Oh, but she checked my purse. She said, next
Yeah,
time.
you put the two things in there.
She said, next time. I told her I was going to buy it. And
So-
she said, no, you're not allowed back. But I told
Did you go back there and speak to her?
Yeah. And you put two things in your bag.
I told my friend, because I had...
Hold on. Don't talk. Listen. You went. You put two things in your bag. You weren't going to pay for it.
No, I was going to pay for it.
You weren't.
Yes, I was. I swear on my body.
And that's why she said, give me your purse or I'm pulling the
I
cops.
have a credit card in here. I was going to... Here, look. I was going to buy it.
Let me see it. Yeah, this is a gift card.
I thought
So-
I could buy it with that.
You felt wrong. That's for Live Bread.
Well, I called my boyfriend. He said he's gonna buy me it later. He said just go home. I was walking to Dunkin' Donuts because my mom gave me this credit card for Dunkin' Donuts. This look, I'll show you. My mom gave me this for Dunkin' Donuts. Money, see?
Holy fuck. Who's dating her? I ain't gonna lie. Her voice is just, oh man. The voice alone, I would have to run away. No way, man. No way. And this is the problem with, we seen a couple of days ago, somebody stole from, I think Belk or something like that. Some spot. I can't remember, all these videos kind of blend in together. But similar to that, they asked the loss prevention people, they were like, hey, do you want us to go grab her now, or do you want her to wait until she passes all points of sale or whatever, leaving the store? And they said, well, let's wait until she passes by with the stuff. So that way you can't come back and say, oh, I was going to pay for that, because you really didn't give her a chance to yet. So with this situation, it's very similar. They intercepted her before, she put it in her bag, and it appears that she is probably going to steal, but it would be better for her to walk out, or then, because at that point she officially took it, where it's like, okay, she probably using her own bag. She can say, oh, I'm using my own bag versus the bag that the store got, or whatever the case may be. You just don't want to have any wiggle room to where there could be an opportunity for her to actually pay, and she didn't,
Okay, well, we're not talking about Dunkin' Donuts.
I was walking there. My friend told me just go home, but I mean, she said next time I go, she's gonna call the cops, so I wasn't gonna go. But I was gonna pay for it. I told her, and I even called my boyfriend after. He said he's gonna get it for me.
Okay, hold on, tell me.
They said if I go back again, they're gonna call the cops, so I'm not going back.
Yeah.
I wanted them to give me a haircut called the wolf haircut, like where it makes your hair like wolfy. It's called butterfly or wolf.
Yeah. All right, Victoria, we're gonna go for a ride
Where?
to my headquarters. Sure. Put the card in your bag first. Hold on, take the bag off. Put it on the ground. Put it on the ground. Put the bag on the ground.
Put the bag
on the ground.
She,
I have it. I got her information.
nah, she got other stuff in there. She trying to hold on to that bag real tight.
Wait. I said wait.
Is my mom gonna pick me up?
Your mom?
Walk out of there if you want. No, for all I care.
Out of where?
Out of headquarters. Because you're going to be charged for the attempt.
Attempted theft?
Yep.
Hold on. Victoria,
Yes. I didn't take
do
nothing.
you have any needles in here?
No, I don't do drugs.
You don't do drugs?
No, I
Over here.
stopped. Of course I
Stay right
stopped.
here.
That's why I replaced it with going to Dunkin' Donuts and doing my hair and doing my nails. I didn't steal nothing. My boyfriend's buying me stuff
Did you
later.
just buy all this here?
No, I bought it at another store.
What store?
From when I was at Walgreens with my boyfriend.
When?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay, so when we go in there and check the cameras, this stuff's not going to be here.
No.
I know they sell this.
Okay.
Don't play the game.
I'm not.
right? Because if we go in there, he's going to check. If you just took it, just tell me now. 'Cause I don't want to waste my own time.
Victoria, you're obviously deflecting from us because when I came around the corner to speak to you, the first thing you say is, "I'm looking for the bathroom," and you look like you look like a little child that did something that wasn't supposed to. That's like the look that you had on your face.
Man, she talk like a little child too, man. Oh boy.
We're gonna go in there. We're gonna ask the guy, and we're gonna see if these things are. So, did you take them?
They might sell them there, but I didn't.
Did you take him here or not?
They have surveillance there.
I know, but I didn't.
You're gonna make me do the legwork of go looking through all that crap?
No, I'm telling the truth. Just take me to the cop
No,
station.
No, you're just gonna wait.
And my boyfriend's buying me stuff.
We have one female under.
How long am I gonna be here for?
Not long.
Till my mom gets home. Where is it close to my house?
Yeah, it's only a mile down the road.
So it's by Dunkin' Donuts. I could go to Dunkin' Donuts. How long am I gonna be?
She has the mannerisms of a 7-year-old, man, but just in a big body though. Like if you close your eyes, the way she talks and it's just like, what the fuck? Did you ever grow up? Ever? Did you ever grow up?
Or not at all?
I don't know. Not long.
What are they gonna tell me?
All clear with day school drills complete.
Take care of it in a minute. So right there.
Maybe I just said that to say it. Maybe I just said that to say it. I didn't take nothing. I just said that so we could go. I didn't take nothing. No, I didn't. I said because so we could go.
945 master 1024.
Can you play music?
I'm gonna take her in.
Uh-oh. Am I going to jail? Am I going to jail?
No.
Okay, does this, you guys sell all this stuff?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you know if she
No one
paid?
bought that today.
No one bought that today.
Yeah.
Okay, but you definitely sell all this. Can you just show me everything?
So I'll be there. Oh, I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
Please.
Thank you. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going. Uh-oh.
See that soap dispenser right there? Face that. Right here. Face that.
I can call and ask.
You don't have to search me. I could take off all my. I mean, I don't have
we
no
can't do
drugs.
that.
I
No,
don't
we
have
can't
any.
do that.
You can put the K9 dogs.
Victoria,
Yeah.
He's just asking
Be
because I'm a
quiet.
female. That's all. If you're okay with him searching
No,
you,
you
though,
can
he can
search
also.
me. I don't want a guy searching.
Okay, no problem.
I don't like when men touch me.
I get it.
Especially when they hold you down and put you in this, like, those crazy things. One time a man bruised me because he thought he had to put his leg on me.
Put your bag down. Put your bag down. Stand right here. Do not move.
Before I search you, though, you don't have anything on you?
No.
No drugs?
No.
No
And I
syringes?
stopped doing drugs.
Okay, good.
They don't look, I gained like 20 pounds.
Good.
I don't look like a junkie no more.
Listen, you never know.
And I'm starting to remember people more because I stopped doing drugs.
Good, I'm glad. What were you trying to steal for? You just wanted new clothes?
I thought it was such a cute dress, and my boyfriend's buying it for me.
Okay. What's your boyfriend's name again? I feel like I met him.
She forgot the lie. I thought, why did you steal? Oh, I thought it was a cute dress. And then she remembered the lie. Oh, but my boyfriend is buying it for me. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
him before.
I got a new boyfriend. His name is Connor.
Okay.
It was not Edwin, guys. Cuckoo.
I think Edwin was who I'm
I
thinking
don't
of.
like him.
Okay. Do me a favor, just kick your shoes off for me.
You'll get him back. I'm not
We just
taking.
can't have you have any jewelry in there.
This one doesn't come out. It's like stuck here. It won't.
All right, just
How'd
take-
you get
take
it
these
on?
off. Take those scrunchies off. Okay, have a seat.
Do you remember the
Right there. That chair. That chair. Bless you. Terminator.
The suspect was arrested for retail theft and was released shortly after without incident. If you
ShyGotEm.